What's up, people? Today I'm here with my friend Raymond, who's gonna play as Righty. And today we're going to reach floor 10. And in the meantime, we're going to do a dandy run.
No, you said Dandy Run.
Okay, what?
You said Dandy Run.
Oh, yeah, that's exactly what I said. Dandy run.
Yeah, you said we're gonna do Dandy Run.
I'm just. Okay.
Oh, no.
No way. Alright, I got Glisten. Cosmo! Glisten! Come back here. Boom, bagam, bagam, bim, bam, bye. Go, baby. What in the world is happening in your background, right?
What?
Dude, you, bro.
Oh, don't be noisy.
Ayaw na. Ah! Yeah, Cosmo.
Did you die?
No.
Oh, nah.
Ooh, research. Bagam, bagam, bye. It's alright. I am babysitting. To be honest, what are the chances of Liston spawning at floor 1?
About 50 to 25.
Oh, that's sick. I randomly just just took some tapes. Yo, Raymond, can you babysit?
What?
Can you
No,
baby?
I'm gonna extract.
Okay. Tell me when I should get to the elevator, cause I am too.
Get away from him. Cosmos coming.
Ow! I am
Bloody.
here.
How? Stop. Hi. Hi.
I swear I did not see her.
How many?
I thought she was coming from behind, so I ran forward. Bye. Joyride. I don't think
Let
that's
him
how it goes.
expire. Let him expire.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Fine.
He will still come to us though. Stop.
I got you.
Stop extracting. Oh good. Thank you. Get away from Clisten. Get away from Clisten. Get away. He's gonna kill you. Get to the elevator. Get to the elevator. I can see you. You're standing near the elevator.
That's right. Astro and Stage Fright. Hell no.
Dandyron.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Instructions, you suck. Wait, come near me. I'll give you speed boost.
I don't need some.
I'll still give you anyway.
Grr. Turns into alpha.
Lol. True.
I'm going away from you because I don't want speed boost.
You know I can still give
Stop!
you speed boost like from here. No.
Bro, there's a... I still got it.
Shrimpo, who else is there?
I don't know. It's Cosmo.
Okay.
Again.
Cosmo and
I
Shrimpo,
found a
alright.
jumper cable.
Nice.
I'll extract.
So am I. Although you're already walking so fast, yet you're extracting. You have a very high skill movement. I mean, like movement. Just move them.
Ah yes, stealthy movement.
What? What? Where are you guys? Ha! Ha ha! Cosmo, you'll never find a hell no.
I'll do the last machine.
Are you doing the third machine?
Yes, let me do the last.
I'm doing the fourth.
Yeah, that's the last. Let me do the last.
I'll get it to up to like 50%, then you'll do it.
That's 50%. Stop.
Alright. Oh, hell no. Cosmo.
Run.
Cosmos. Where did you go? What? I'm gonna give you speed boost.
Stop.
He's somehow walking through the walls. Where are you doing this? How are you doing that?
Do skibidi.
Book club? Hell no. What? Bro, what are you doing? You do know I'm still
Oh,
recording.
jumper cable.
Already? How? What are the chances of that?
5.
I swear to God, I swear to God, my viewers are gonna see that you're teleporting to me. Where did you come from?
In your ass.
Tisha's coming this way. I'm not going there. Did you just say, ah? Good day, I'm not making these kid friendly. Bro, we just reached 9:11 seconds. Dude, why are you walking through the walls? Why are you using your hacks again? You gotta be kidding me. Like, look, I won't. I look. I know it's now. I know it's sudden that I'm supposed to report hackers, but this guy is my classmate, so no. He also will get banned until get permanent ban. Ah! 10 minutes has arrived. By the way, guys, we're here at floor 3. Make sure you like and subscribe. And turn on the notifications bell. If you guys can if you, never mind. But still, like and subscribe to my channel. Here it comes, bro. Get to elevator. The elevator here is broken. Where do I go, sire? I'm gonna give you speed boost. Yeah.
I did bro go the wrong way.
Stealth candy. I'm gonna be late for book club. Eject button? What does that do?
Makes you fast.
No. I don't have enough for that. And this is a Danderon. It's ultra rare. Hallelujah. You got an ultra rare? I got a smoke bomb. I got a smoke bomb back then. Dude, I got an eject button back then. Very funny. Ooh, soda. Astro. Wait, I need to give you speed boost. Roger. Deja. Man, these research capsules are so chaotic. Look, I see Roger right here. I'm not picking up that. Ah, why did you do that? You are fixing that problem. Roger,
No.
I swear to God. I'm out. Where are you? Oh, here you are. 3. Can I? Do I remember this road being so dark? Why is it not? I have 900. I have 900 ichor. How much is goop? Give me that. No. Let's get out of here. Why are you faster than me? No, Brandy, we should like start like. Lost and found. Let's see. Imagine I get a. Okay, I got a speed candy. You got your ball? Let's go. Who's here? Hell no, I just saw Shrimpo. Free Igor! Hell no, Shrimpo coming back. Haha. That do dee do da. Who is there, Scraps?
So are Andy and Simple.
Oh, R&D. Where's R&D?
Inside.
Okay. I have last one.
Bro, I found bandage. Follow me.
No way. Gimme. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Gimme, 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 gimme. Don't you dare. Why did you do that?
Thanks for the machine.
Anyways, how the hell did you survive that? I thought you were instant. I thought you get hurt instantly. Girl, I'll give you speed boost then.
Good G. Bro.
One, one, two, three, four. Ah, they can press the spot. Nothing useful. Bro's tweaking! Yo! Look, he's turning evil. Why? The background, your bro. I'm telling you, your, the, what's happening in your background is completely funny.
Health
Explain it
kit.
all. Right?
Wait.
Yo, it's righty.
There's a freaking smoke bomb.
Righty and Tisha. There's a dude. I heard that's ultra rare.
That's ultra rare. I'm gonna get it.
Giat.
Yoink.
I hear. When does Dundee spawn here in the map? Why? Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Why are you doing this, girl? Ha ha! Yo,
Stop.
dude, what? Hell no! Bruv, you're cooked. You're cooked. Let's just save some. What the fuck? Bro, take him! I'm running out of stamina! I'm at 40 stamina! Why did you do this to me?
Or machine.
What is happening in the background? Like, I hear you laugh like a.
I can't hear you.
Is Roger Finn?
No, it's Tisha. Dandy is spawning in 3, 2, 5. Give me the machine.
How did you find that? I didn't even see that.
No! Turns into an alpha.
I'm the strongest. Yeah, hell no.
Give me my machine back,
No.
please. Or else.
Okay, just give me a moment.
Give that. Okay, fine.
Done.
Yes.
Let's go.
You got one, Icor.
Where did
Where
you
did
come
I
from?
go?
Where are you?
I got the other way.
Wait. Alright. for some reason you're always teleporting out of nowhere. I've got 20 minutes on my recording timer right now. Ah,
No!
dude, I'm 2 hearts.
You're gonna die.
Let's go.
I have a med kit.
Yeah,
It's Dandy. It's Roger.
Dandy and Roger.
No. Reeve's child.
Also, Doodles.
Thank you for this. I must run now.
Ah, not me. Ha 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 ha. Don't you dare bring her here. What are you doing? You look so weird. There's Roger. I'll go activate him.
Oh!
Oh, hell no. Dude, you're cooked. How are you walking so fast? My God, I have already made. This is the furthest video I've ever made. Up to 21 minutes. Ain't no way we're going to do it. We're actually gonna do a Dandy Run. Ain't no way.
Next floor is Dandy Run.
Oh hell no. Hell no, it's Noodles. Hell no. Haha, Noodle not see me. I give
I'm gonna bring Toodles.
Sigma, Sigma. Boy, hell no. Don't you dare do that. You don't make me distract again. You don't see me.
I can see you. You're behind the chair. I mean, the
How do you
seat.
know? You don't see me.
You're at the freaking elevator that's broken.
How do you know? What's this? Dandy Blush.
Why are you looking at some poster? Brilliant.
I'll give you speed boost.
Hell nah. I'm
I'll
opening
activate
Roger.
everyone. Hell no. Why did you do that?
You were gonna give me that.
Speed boost. Ah! I'm cooked.
Stop. I'll open it.
No, I was going to open it myself.
Okay.
Ah! You're cooked.
I'm not.
By the way,
Stop.
you turned into
Toodles.
Alpha.
I'm gonna bring Toodles.
Why do you hate the speed boost so much? Yeah, never mind.
You have cooldown, bro.
Yo, Toodles. I see the last machine. I will take it myself. Guys, it's so hard to get it.
What do you mean? It's easy.
I am going to the elevator first before you. Yo, Band-Aid. Never mind, it's just a custom door. Yo, there's pots. I can fit pebbles in that. I failed. At
Wait,
least I
did you
got
wait?
some. At least I got some ichor.
I hate
Don't
this.
ignore me. No. Give us Band-Aid. Medkit. Jumper cables. My very rare items. I am beating slime too. What are you saying? Okay. I have a feeling he's gonna. I have a feeling that Danny's gonna spawn. What now? So
He
it's.
not spawn.
You sure?
Yeah, he's not spawning. It's only R&D and
I swear to
Finn.
God. I swear to God. I swear to God. If you wake up R&D, I need to get that research capsule.
I took everyone.
Oh, you got it.
I took every item.
Why did you do that? I'm pretty sure
I,
that when R&D spawns, he's like spawning next to a machine. That's what I pretty much know about him.
Skibidi toilet.
No.
Alpha.
So, so you said that you got Dandy on floor 11, right?
No. Yes.
So it's possible to spawn in odd floors. I thought it only able to spawn.
You can spawn right now.
So it can spawn at different. So it can spawn at any time, anywhere. I see. Where's Finn? Oh hell no! Finn is so fast,
Stop!
dude. I was just running. Oh! Dude, what are you doing? You look so goofy.
I'll do the last machine. Don't you dare take it. Please! Yes! I'll
I'm
leave.
not gonna.
Bro, if you do that, I'm gonna send you. Stop! Okay, fine.
Dude, I'm just messing with him right now, guys. This is the broken elevator. Oh, here. Book class. Why are you saying that?
Bumbukalat! Bumbukalat to. Bumbukalat to.
Bro, tell me when Dandy spawn. Dandy will spawn?
He spawned. He
Really?
spawned.
Did he?
No, he did not. Bro, get pranked. I'm gonna
So
pick
who's
up
there?
everything.
So who's there then?
Your mom.
No, like, no. I mean, who are the entities? Who are the twisteds?
Your mom.
You got. Ah! Shrimpo. Okay, what's the other?
Cosmo Shrimpo. I'm gonna lead him to you if you don't give me a machine.
Oh, research. Cosmo?
R.I.P.
Shrimpo. To be honest,
Follow me. Follow
when
me.
does,
Follow me.
which, hey, I ask, is there a separate, is there like a exact floor where, I ask, when does three twisted spawn?
D. E.
When does three twisted spawn?
Three twisted spawns in floor 13 or 14.
Oh my god! Why did I say Gaia? Why did I say guide? I meant say God.
What's your highest floor?
Uh, uh, 13.
Bruh. Mine is 24.
Yeah.
Give me your
What?
machine or else I'm gonna lead them to you. Because I have one
There's already
following.
there's a machine right in front of there's a machine on the other
Give
side.
me that. Bye bye. Ew.
cry. Queen never cry.
Queen never
Let's look.
cry.
Let's see. Let's look for the
How about you extract that machine? No, not that's mine. Get the other machine. Where the twisteds are.
Ah! I'm bringing them to you.
Stop! Don't lead them. Okay, fine. I have no stealth. Like my stealth is 0.
And you have the most. And you have the highest speed movement,
Skibidi toilet robbers.
bro. I'll give you a speed boost later.
Brain rot. I'm gonna murder you.
Mine. Oh,
Shrimpo,
Ella,
where are
Shrimpo!
you?
I swear to God. Gago! Wait, guys, I'm actually go up. I'm running. I have zero stamina. I swear to God.
He's coming in.
Please.
Bonk, I got the machine.
No! Why? Girl. 3, 2, 1. Here's your free.
I don't care. I'm in the elevator now. Bye bye.
I swear
You
to
get 5-second head start. You're cooked. You're cooked. You're cooked.
What's up?
Don't worry, I save you.
I'm gonna be let cook.
Don't buy.
Don't make me angry. I have a feeling he will spawn. I feel like Dante will spawn at this.
Yeah, it's gonna spawn now.
Really? How do you know?
Cause I'm so skibidi.
Okay. Show me. Okay.
You're making a big mistake. He's spawning. And V, I need. He did not spawn.
Who spawned?
Brightney and Shrimpo.
You got to be kidding me.
Again. How about you extract?
I'm just watching television right now.
I'm on 1 heart.
I'm watching television right now in game.
I'm on 1 heart.
Ah! I will give you my speed boost. What ba Right there.
Stop. Stop. Yeah, I need a med kit.
I thought you said you had a bad kid.
I ate it. Wait, what?
Remember to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to be Skibidi and Sigma.
Yes, listen to it. As you can see. Oh, I forgot to tell you at the beginning. I'm now playing Tisha. Ah!
Bro, I have 4K and 900.
I swear.
Tisha! I'm coming for you.
I'll give you my speed boost if you come here.
Okay.
Yay.
Bong. You did not. Get to the elevator.
Alright. It's the meantime, I will watch TV.
Stop! He's coming.
Let me watch my TV in peace, bruv. Wow! Are you actually a one heart? Nah, no way.
Woo! We need this. We need this. Bro, we need that. We need this to spawn a medkit.
I have a feeling that Dandy will spawn right now.
Dandy is spawning! He's gonna spawn! Oh. He didn't just spawn. He did not spawn. Roger.
Ah!
I said it was Roger.
Ah! You didn't get me.
How many icor do you have now?
Let's see. Wait, I have full mastery Tisha.
Okay.
I don't know.
Mine is 4,913.
Okay, I'm gonna try and be exact right here.
How many you have now?
Hold on, let me just finish this machine. 1,030.
You're more rich than me.
Oh, yeah, 4,000, bro.
What do you mean?
Never mind.
Extract a machine, bro. What are you doing?
Dude, I extracted the machine.
I thought you distracted the machine. Bro, I'll extract the last one after my machine. Get to the elevator. Get to the elevator! No!
Chill out. Research! Where's the elevator anyway? Oh, here it is.
You're literally at the freaking elevator.
I'm going to give you my speed boost.
Haha, you can't get me. You can't give me that.
I have fast reaction time. Here he is!
Bro!
I suck. Alright.
Danny! Freaking spawn! I need you to spawn!
Yeah, spawn.
I have 60%
My
research on
recording is
him.
up to 38 minutes already. Spawn already. Or else my flip. Oh.
You're making a big mistake. Then spawn. Spawn. Spawn! Pebble! It's freaking Pebble in Dundee.
Really?
We're cooked! We're cooked! We're
What?
cooked! We're cooked!
Dandy's also there?
We're cooked!
Dandy? Oh,
Help! He saw me! He saw me.
so Cosmo and Dandy?
Cosmo, Dandy, and Pebble.
What? Dude, Dandy is so ginormous.
We're cooked.
I know, right?
I'm gonna distract him. Hey, yo.
Distract Dandy, I beg of you. You have
I'm
such
gonna
a...
hurt. Oh! Extract!
I can't do that. You're blocking the way. Look, Pebble's here.
Help, he's so slow. Dandy so slow. Oh!
I think this is the end of our video, guys.
Yeah, that's just die to Pebble to get research on Pebble.
I'm just gonna go ahead and get those capsules before I die.
No, there's no more capsules. I ate them.
But I unbelievably scared right now.
Then die.
Let's go. That's the research.
Then die to
Give me.
Dandy.
Ouch.
Die to Dandy to get research on him.
Dundee. Dead.
Bro got one shot.
You survive. 11 floors. 70 twisted.
Ikor.
Items. 2 items.
I took every item, sorry.
I only took 2 items. I got 208 Icar. Let's go.
I got 488 Icor.
Nice. That's, well, that's the end of our video, guys. We made it to floor 10, but we did not pass the Dandy run. So maybe
Okay.
we'll do another video about doing the Dandy run, trying to beat it again. And anyway, like and subscribe to my video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.